Welcome to Executive Maids, where passionate cleaning professionals find their home. We believe in creating a positive, happy, and drama-free work environment that you look forward to every day. Our goal is to set you up for success by teaching you efficient systems and procedures so you can work smarter, not harder. Unlike other employers, we genuinely value your contributions and efforts. As a cleaning professional, your role is all about cleaning and maintaining our clients' homes with full attention to detail. We take immense pride in delivering impeccable cleanliness with every cleaning. Effective communication is key as you engage with clients, understand their cleaning needs and preferences, and provide exceptional customer service. Your detailed, thorough cleaning skills and friendly professional attitude will leave clients impressed, happy, and grateful. At Executive Maids, we offer high wages that are above average, recognizing your skills, talent, and attention to detail. Join our team today and start on an exciting journey with Executive Maids.